Welcome to our Wix tutorials. Today, we will learn how to add a product to the category using Postman with Wix API. For more motivation to make other videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. In Wix API, you can add a product to the category by using Postman. This is why Hexa will show you how to do it efficiently and quickly today. The process of adding a product to the category includes 4 steps. Step 1. Generate API credentials from the Wix developer website. Step 2. Refresh the access token using Postman. Step 3. Add a product to the category by using Postman. Step 4. Verify the result. Now, take the first step, generate API credentials from the Wix developer website. If this is your first call in the Postman, you must generate API credentials from the Wix developer's website. You can watch this video to learn how to access Wix API. Now, take the second step, refresh the access token using Postman. Wix's access token is only valid for 5 minutes, so you must use the refresh token to request a new access token. At Postman, create a new post with this URL. In the body section, enter the code. I will leave the code in the description. Then click Send. The Postman will return a new access token and refresh token. Now, take the third step, add a product to the category using Postman. To add the product to the category, you must get the product ID first. Go to the Wix dashboard. Choose Products. Choose Store Products. Click on the product you want to add to the category. And copy the product ID in the URL. Now, let's get the category ID because the next call includes that parameter. There are 2 ways to get the category ID. The first way, you can copy the ID in the response category of the cataloging command. The second way is to query the category and select the category ID you want to add the product to. You can read this blog to know more about the first way. I will leave the blog in the description. In this case, I would do it the first way. Now, I have the category ID like this. Let's add a product to the category. Go to the Postman. Create a new post with this endpoint. Remember to enter the authorization in the key section and the access token in the value section in the header. In the body, enter the code. You can easily add more than one product to a category. It depends on your requirement in the body section with this code. Then click Send. As you can see, the Postman returned the empty array. Now, we will verify the category. Go to the Wix dashboard. Choose Store Products. Click on Categories. As you can see, the product has been added to the category successfully. Those are all steps to add a product to the category using Postman with Wix API. In case you have any wonders about Wix, or you want to research Wix API integration, you can visit bhexa.com. We have tons of Wix integrated solutions for many types of business, such as Wix Amazon integration, Wix Square integration, Wix SAP B1 integration, or Wix Salesforce integration. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video about Wix API. If you have any suggestions or questions, let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hexa, connecting applications, automating processes.